Up first this evening, residents of the St. Catherine North Police Division were affected by the state of emergency as they made their way to work this morning.
The security forces also clamped down on an area in the old capital where it's believed extortionists have been wreaking havoc. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
State of Emergency Day 2. Residents in the St. Catherine North Police Division waking up to scores of police and soldiers in their area on Monday. By sunrise, traffic at a standstill, random searches and patrols. In Spanish Town, it was a cat and mouse game for people trying to get to work. The JUTC bus park in the old capital was a little more organized, but long lines. And as the operation continued, soldiers swarming the Spanish Town bus park caused people to stay away.
How you feel about the operation going on?
I could have given them a bed if they needed it. This is something that they should have done from last year.
The bus park has been a problem area for years. Gang feuds over the collection of extortion funds have been blamed for several murders. It's an issue for head of the St. Catherine Chamber of Commerce, Dennis Robotham.
The stigma that is on St. Catherine and Spanish Town is one that people bypass it. We have now got the opportunity to see if we can bring it back.
Persons who did not wish to appear on camera argue that the security forces are fighting a losing battle. But for Mr. Robotham,
you have to start somewhere. I mean, when we had the incursion, I think the security forces had an opportunity. Then everything was trending down because of the attitude that was taken by the security forces. If we have kept that pressure up from them, possibly we would have seen a difference. We have to change the culture.
He added that it begins with creating employment. Data released by the Constabulary Communications Unit, CCU, revealed that approximately 123 persons, including 3 wanted men, have been taken into custody for processing during the first 24 hours of the state of public emergency. 26 men remain in custody. The other 96 have been processed and released. 4 members of the Montego-based G-City gang who fled the state of emergency in St. James were captured in Spanish Town on Sunday. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.